Welcome to this in-depth analysis of the WNBA's blockbuster trade where Angel Reese moves from the Chicago Sky to the Atlanta Dream. Today we break down the trade's implications, statistical modeling of team efficiency, Angel Reese's rebounding biomechanics, her career journey, criticisms, and lessons learned from her athletic career. We explore what this means for both teams and for Reese herself. What exactly happened in the Angel Reese trade? The Chicago Sky traded Angel Reese to the Atlanta Dream in exchange for 2 first-round draft picks and additional swap rights. Reese, a 2-time All-Star and one of the league's top rebounders, joins a Dream roster that already features strong perimeter players and a fast-paced offense. Chicago gains premium future assets and flexibility to rebuild their roster strategically. Why did the Chicago Sky decide to trade a star player like Reese? Chicago prioritized long-term roster flexibility over immediate production. While Reese provided elite rebounding and interior scoring, her departure opens opportunities for better spacing, faster offensive flow, and high-variance offensive strategies. The Sky are effectively converting elite current production into future draft assets and cap flexibility to rebuild a more modern, perimeter-oriented team. How does the trade impact the Chicago Sky statistically? Before the trade, Reese's presence generated consistent possessions through offensive rebounds, second-chance points, and paint scoring. Her departure increases variance in scoring outcomes as the Sky transition to a spacing-driven offense. Statistical models like Poisson distribution suggest the Sky will see a wider scoring range, while Monte Carlo simulations project higher volatility but also higher ceiling potential. What does this mean for the Atlanta Dream's strategy? Atlanta instantly adds rebounding dominance and interior presence to a roster that already excels in perimeter shooting and guard creation. Reese enhances second-chance points, defensive toughness, and screen-and-roll gravity, helping the Dream balance inside-out play and improving their playoff competitiveness immediately. What makes Angel Reese such an elite rebounder? Reese dominates the boards due to her low center of gravity, strong hip displacement, and precise box-out technique. Her triple extension of ankle, knee, and hip maximizes vertical reach, while her second jump ability allows her to secure offensive rebounds effectively. She also demonstrates spatial awareness, tracking ball trajectory and shot angle to anticipate rebounds accurately. How will Reese fit into Atlanta's offense? Reese's rebounding, post-scoring, and defensive presence complement Atlanta's fast-paced, perimeter-heavy style. She can convert putbacks, create spacing for driving guards, and anchor the paint defensively. This integration improves offensive efficiency, reduces pressure on perimeter scorers, and increases the Dream's overall balance. What was Angel Reese's early life and family background? Angel Reese was born in Baltimore, Maryland, into a basketball-oriented family. Her mother played in college, which fostered a competitive environment from an early age. She attended St. Francis Academy, became a McDonald's All-American, and was a 5-star recruit, excelling in multiple positions before committing to a college career. What were some of the challenges and setbacks in her career? Reese faced injuries early in college, criticism for transferring from Maryland to LSU, and questions about shooting efficiency. During her professional career, she also faced public scrutiny for emotional reactions and technical fouls. These challenges shaped her physical toughness, resilience, and mental focus. What criticisms has she received from analysts and fans? Critiques focus on her limited shooting range, turnovers, and offensive polish. Some analysts question whether her high usage and elite rebounding fully translate into modern WNBA spacing-oriented play. However, she is widely recognized as a high-motor player who impacts games significantly through effort and physicality. What lessons can we learn from Angel Reese's career? Reese demonstrates that rebounding and effort skills can define a player's impact, that mental toughness is crucial under media scrutiny, and that team fit can be more important than raw stats. Her career shows how role clarity and a defined system enhance efficiency and legacy. How does this trade affect Reese's career trajectory? Joining Atlanta offers better spacing, less scoring pressure, and a clearly defined role. She is likely to maintain her rebounding numbers, slightly adjust scoring efficiency, and increase her overall winning impact. The trade provides a platform for her to continue growing while competing in a supportive system. What is the overall impact of this trade for both teams? The Atlanta Dream gains immediate balance, improved rebounding, and playoff competitiveness. The Chicago Sky take a long-term risk, converting elite current production into future assets and strategic flexibility. Atlanta strengthens now, Chicago positions for future growth. Finally, the Angel Reese trade is a defining moment for both teams. It highlights the importance of strategic fit, long-term planning, and the value of elite rebounding in modern basketball. While Atlanta gains immediate impact, Chicago embraces a rebuild that prioritizes future success. If you found this analysis insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into sports strategy, player analysis, and WNBA news.